Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a grocery haul for you guys, so let's get started. So I actually get my groceries from different places. So this was like one of our farmers market. This is that grocery haul, and then I'm gonna go pick up some more groceries here in a minute. So starting over here, we have some organic red potatoes. We go through a lot of potatoes, a lot of bananas. We eat a lot of these. The organic Fuji apples, these are really, really good. Some oranges, blueberries, Roma tomatoes. We've got a bunch of red onion. We use that a lot for cooking. I've got some guacamole dip, the Simply Organic brand. This is a really good brand. And then the mild taco seasoning. We've got a pineapple, some lesser evil popcorn, the Himalayan pink salt. This is a really good snack. This is what I snack on, and it's very clean. Like, the only ingredients are organic non-GMO popcorn, organic coconut oil, and Himalayan salt. Really good, really clean. We've got some organic Baby Bella mushrooms, some salad mix, garden salad. We've got red peppers, yellow peppers, a bunch of cucumbers, some squash and zucchini. We love zucchini. Cabbage. We also go through a lot of cabbage. This is another really good clean snack, the organic plantain chips. Plantains, coconut oil, and pink salt. These are really good, and honestly the closest thing that I've found that actually tastes like potato chips. So, and then I've got my dairy-free gelato ice cream, vanilla bean, oh my. Again, like just simple ingredients in this. So this is the ice cream that I like to eat. And then we've got some organic sauerkraut. And that's it. This is from Walmart. Some of the things I get, I normally get like my produce and fruit from Sprouts, and then a lot of other things from Walmart. I got these dried and sweet cranberries and glazed walnuts. I like to put these in my salads. We've got like some just necessary cleaning stuff, sponges, my soap that I use, dish soap, and my granite spray, paper towels, paper plates. We've got the popcorn kernels because we like to air pop some popcorn. We've got some Hershey's chocolate, just plain chocolate bars, cream cheese, sliced cheddar cheese, some sweet corn, some feta, sour cream, whipping cream. We've got a bunch of the V8 energy drinks, peach mango. I drink one of these every morning. They're my favorite, so I always stock up on a lot of those. And then last, we got some alkaline water. Normally I get the really big packs from Sam's Club, but I was out and I don't have a Sam's order till tomorrow, so I just went ahead and got some.